Easter is a time for families. Families get together, break bread, and enjoy the spirit of togetherness. The island of Tobago is traditionally a place of sojourn during the Easter period, where thousands of people visit the island to share a time filled with memories and quality time with family and friends. They partake in the island's culture and cuisine, and with many activities, including going to the beach, harvest festivals, and the traditional Easter lunch and Tuesday activities such as the crab and races. On behalf of the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation, I would like to personally take this opportunity to extend to each and every one of you a happy, safe, and holy Easter to you and your families.